this video, work and time is explained with one or two problems. First, we will see the definition of work and time. First comes the capacity of a worker. It can be a man or woman. Capacity is the ability to do a particular work. How much a man or woman do in one day is the capacity. So capacity is the ability to do the work in one day. If a man can finish a work in 10 days, in one day he will do 1/10 part of the work. This concept you have to understand clearly. If a man can finish a work in 10 days, daily how much he will be doing? 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. So the capacity of the man is to do the particular work is 1/10. Full work means 1. This is another important point. Full work means full work, 1 work. So a man has done 2/5 part of the work. Then what is left? How much is left? Full work 1 minus 2/5 already he has done. You have to subtract. So 3/5 is left. Now a small formula. Number of days for a man to complete the work is work left by his capacity. Capacity means in one day how much he will do. Okay, these are the definitions, some basic points. Now using this we have to do the sums. Mr. A can finish a work in 20 days. Mr. B can do the same work in 30 days. Mr. C can do the work in 60 days. 3 persons, 3 workers are there. Their capacity is given. How much they will do in, how long will it take to finish the complete work. Now, how long will it take for A plus B plus C together? All the 3 are together going to do the work. How long will it take? That is the question. First, we will find the capacity of each. In one day, A can do 1/20. See, he can finish the work in 20 days, so his capacity is 1/20. Similarly, B can do in one day 1/30. Similarly, in one day, C can do 1/60. Now, all the 3 are going to together to finish the work. So we will add all the 3. A plus B plus C in one day how much they will do? 1/20 plus 1/30 plus 1/60. How will you add all the 3 fractions? By taking the LCM. Separately you will get the answer 6/60. Here further we can simplify. We can cut by 6. So the result is 1/10. Okay, this is for one day. Now, how long will it take? Number of days for A plus B plus C together to finish the job is given. The formula is given. Work left by capacity of A plus B plus C. Work left is 1, full work. Capacity of A plus B plus C, just now we calculate 1/10. So full work is 1 by capacity is 1/10. Then we simplify, we will get 10. So in 10 days all the 3 will together finish the work. One more example. Mr. A can finish a work in 20 days. B can do the same work in 30 days. Okay. A worked for 4 days and left the work. A worked for 4 days, then he left the job. Now, how long will it take for B alone to complete the work? A left, now B has to do the remaining work. So, first, in one day A can do 1 by 20. In one day B can do 1 by 30. Right. Now, A worked for 4 days. So, how much work he has done in 4 days? In 4 days, A did 4 into 1 by 20. So, this is simplifying 1 by 5. This part of work A has done. Now he left. So, this work should be subtracted from the full work. Now, remaining work left for B is 1 minus 1 by 5. That is 4 by 5. This is the work left. We know the B's capacity. Okay. Number of days for B alone to finish the work equal to work left by capacity of B. Work left is 4 by 5. Capacity of B is 1 by 30. Here, how will you simplify one fraction by another fraction? First fraction we write as it is 4 by 5. Then the division will become multiplication, but 1 by 30 will become its reciprocal. Simply 4 by 5 into 30 by 1. Note this step. 4 by 5 into 30 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 30 is 30 by 1. Simplifying, we get 24 days. So, remember the concept clearly.